Hello and welcome to my channel and to my Onam series. Today's Nakshatram is Moolam and it is the 7th day of the Attam Pattonam. Many festivities start on Moolam day. Men dress up as tigers and leopards and perform a dance called the Pulikali. Traditional dance forms like the Kai Kuti Kali are also performed. Also, people start having mini sadyas from today. My recipe today is a very simple yogurt gravy called Inji Thayir. Come, let's make the Inji Thayir. ഇന്ന് മൂല നക്ഷത്രമാണ്. ഈ മൂല നക്ഷത്ര നാളിൽ ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ഇഞ്ചി തൈര് റെസിപ്പി കൊണ്ടാണ്. വരൂ, നമുക്ക് ഇഞ്ചി തൈര് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
We need plenty of ginger that is minced in this recipe. I need 3 tablespoons of ginger for the 1 cup of yogurt that I'm using for this recipe. I will take the 3 tablespoons of ginger from this amount of ginger that is here. Let's now mince some ginger. I have 3 tablespoons of ginger here. I weighed this ginger to give you an idea of how much ginger is needed. This ginger weighs 22 grams, so I suggest you use at least 20 grams of ginger if you want to round up the figure. 3 green bird's eye chillies chopped fine. 1 small stalk of curry leaves sliced. One dry red chilli cut into small pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan that is on medium heat. Add the ginger and fry it until it is a light brown in color. Add the green chilli. Stir the ingredients and fry them. Be careful not to over fry the ginger. We must have the ginger a light brown in color. Over fried ginger will stain the yogurt. The reason that I'm frying the ginger and the chilli is to get their flavors released. When the ginger turns a light brown in color and when both the ingredients are fragrant, turn off the stove and remove the ingredients. Here are the fried ginger and chilli. Add another tablespoon of oil and turn on the stove. Add half a teaspoon mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds stop crackling, add the dried red chillies and the curry leaves and stir. Take the ingredients out before the red chillies turn dark. Here they are. We now come to the last step in making the Inji Thayir. Add salt to taste to the yogurt. The yogurt must be sour. Stir the salt into the yogurt. The yogurt needs to be of a thick consistency. Keep stirring the yogurt for about a minute because you need to break the yogurt up. Then add the fried ginger and green chillies and stir well. Then add the rest of the fried ingredients and stir that well also into the yogurt. The Inji Thayir is an essential part of the Onam Sadya. This is because the ginger in the Inji Thayir helps in digestion. Let's give this Inji Thayir a taste to see if there's enough salt. A bit more salt is needed. Let's stir the salt in. The Inji Thayir can be served now.